Capacity and range. The capacity of a fire extinguisher is the amount of extinguishing agent that it holds. The range of a fire extinguisher is the distance that the extinguishing agent can reach. The capacity and range of a fire extinguisher will depend on the type of fire extinguisher and the size of the extinguisher. Factors to consider when choosing a fire extinguisher. When choosing a fire extinguisher, you need to consider the following factors. Number 1. The type of fire that you are most likely to encounter. Number 2. The size of the fire extinguisher. Number 3. The location of the fire extinguisher. Number 4. The ease of use of the fire extinguisher. Inspecting and maintaining a fire extinguisher. It is important to inspect and maintain your fire extinguisher regularly. This includes checking the pressure, making sure that the hose is not damaged, and testing the discharge. You should also have your fire extinguisher serviced by a qualified technician every few years. Conclusion. By following these steps, you can choose the right fire extinguisher for your needs and keep your family and home safe.